walking a creek today. It's a pretty good creek. It's full of a whole lot of brooks. You find a ton of brooks out of here. Flint everywhere. I've really only started looking at real hard really this year. And up this upper half of it, I've only found one full arrowhead, and it was out right there. It was just spring or summer. And this is pretty much the same gravel bar. And I just came up on something that looks really nice. Oh, that looks... Oh man. That is a killer little pint. Check that out. Man, oh man, that's a nice one. Little bitty guy. Man, too bad that base isn't symmetrical. That would be perfect. Well, the only two phones I got up here are right here in within 10 yards of each other. Well, hopefully I can find another one today. I'm gonna keep going.